Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an update on these super cute crochet braids I have been wearing for the last 2 weeks. But before we jump into today's video, definitely be sure and hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload. So you guys, let's just go ahead and talk about these crochet braids. So this is the original stock card. So this hair is the deep wave crochet hair, and I have it right here so you guys can see what it looks like straight out of the pack. So this is what the hair looks like. It is 10 inches long. So it is pretty short. I did not cut it. I will link the original video right up here in the cards, and it will also be in the description box down below for you guys to check out as well. But y'all, the crochet braids are still very much giving, and I'm gonna say that that is absolutely thanks to the laundry detergent that I've been spraying on it. So if you guys have not seen my previous video that went up like a few days ago on using laundry detergent on your crochet braids to help with softness, definitely be sure to check that video out. It is a necessity for you to see the video because you guys, like, I feel like thanks to that, like, that's the reason that these crochet braids still look so good. So I'm gonna link that video right up here, or it might be right up here, one of the two, in the cards, and it's gonna be in the description box down below as well. Y'all have to be sure to watch that video. I'm telling you, it's gonna make a huge difference in how you're able to maintain your crochet braids. So like I told you guys, I've been having this hair in for exactly 2 weeks, and this is what it's looking like. So basically after the first, I would say after the first few days, like up to the 1 week mark, I could notice the hair was starting to get super stiff, pretty dry, kind of hard, but I was still able to kind of just like play around with it and just kind of like finger detangle it. I love my Cantu Shine and Hold Mist. Y'all know this. Yes, you need this. You need this. Okay, so I love it. It just helps to give it a nice shine. It helps me like with the detangling, and it has a great like tropical smell as well. So love this. Okay, so basically what I've been doing is just kind of going through the hair, finger detangling it using this. I've been oiling my scalp as well with this product right here that I absolutely love. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the maintenance routine. Okay guys, so that was the maintenance routine and basically how I've been maintaining my crochet braids these past 2 weeks, in addition to the one time that I did use the laundry detergent combo mix thing that I sprayed on the hair. I feel like that is something that I would do maybe weekly, not something I would do on a daily basis. I use this I use this Cantu Shine and Hold Mist pretty frequently, like a few times a week, just because I really like the smell, and it just helps to, you know, it just helps me in the morning when I'm like styling my hair to just spray some of this on to just help to, you know, kind of disentangle a few sections, cut away the pieces that have kind of matted up and stuff like that. So like I said, after about the first week or so, I started noticing the hair was getting like a little bit rough, and so that's when I did the laundry detergent spray combo thing on the hair to help to soften it up. And then I've been using this kind of like on a daily basis. So let's talk about the pros and cons of this hair. So the pros of this hair are definitely the curl pattern. Like, this curl pattern is so cute. I don't even know, they say deep wave, and I guess you can say deep wave. I don't know if that's what I would call it, but like, this curl pattern is just so super cute. So I really like that as well. Another pro of the hair is how easily it splits. So you guys know I split, or maybe you don't know if you haven't been to my channel before, and if you haven't been to my channel before, sis, subscribe, okay? But the hair splits so easily. So I'm gonna show you guys right here. It pulls apart so easily. Like, you guys saw, like, I did not have to tug it. I didn't get any like knotting in it as I was pulling it apart. So that is amazing. So that's definitely a pro as well. Another pro is if you're looking for a short style where you don't have to, like, you want a short style and like you don't want to have to like do too much cutting and stuff to it, this is definitely perfect. I believe it comes in 10 inches and 12 inches. The 12 was actually sold out when I wanted to do this review, so that's why I have the 10-inch, but I would definitely recommend getting the 12 just so that you have a little bit more to work with. But overall, you guys can see it's a really cute, just like little bob length type of style. So the main con of this hair, I would say, is like how quickly it started to kind of get hard and kind of just get rough and stuff like that. But like I said, if you guys use the Downy spray mix thing that I made in the other video, zero problems, you guys, zero problems. And someone commented on that video and said that they do that to their crochet braids and that they wear them for up to 8 weeks. So if you are looking for longevity for your crochet braids and a way to be able to wear them for like 2 months, that is definitely the way to do it. And I would just spray that combo on this hair weekly, and I truly believe it would hold up amazingly. I mean, you guys can see like how good the crochet looks. Like, I think it just looks amazing. Like, I could definitely keep this in for at least a month, I would say, honestly, at least a month. I feel like it looks still so good. So would I recommend this hair? Absolutely. Absolutely. This one and the Ocean Wave that I reviewed for them as well, which I will link that one in the cards in the description box down below. I know you guys really did like that Ocean Wave style, and that was a bob as well. So highly recommend both that one and this one, the Deep Wave. So it's definitely a winner for me, and doing the maintenance routine will help you to protect your natural hair using the oil, whether you oil your scalp or you use some kind of grease or something on it. If you spray aloe vera juice, whatever. I do all 3 of those in different combinations when I feel like doing each one. Get you some Cantu Shine and Hold Mist, get you some Downy laundry detergent, and check out the videos so that you can maintain the crochet braids. And that's it, y'all. Crochet braids are bomb. Definitely recommend it. Would wear it again. Could definitely wear it for 3-4 weeks at least, if not longer than that. So these are definitely a winner. Let me know what you guys think of this style in the comment section down below, and tell me if you guys have already watched the Ocean Wave video, which one you prefer. Do you prefer like the more loose kind of like Ocean Wave style, or do you like this kind of tight Deep Wave pattern? I don't know, like they're both super cute. So just let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.